Our fairy garden started with just one house that we placed next to the patio. The extra space allowed us to experiment with a water feature, and we started work on a stream that eventually became a pond with a waterfall, and we soon filled the new space. We also started building our own fairy garden landscape features. We started with the pathways that we modelled on our actual garden flagstone path edged with brick. Our first attempt that you can see here was made with actual flagstone and miniature bricks that we got on Etsy. However, these soon fell apart in our Chicago weather. To replace them, the solution that we came up with was to use building insulation. Start by drawing the shape of the pathway with a Sharpie marker pen. Then, using a foam cutter or knife, cut out the shape. A foam cutter makes a much cleaner edge. Next, draw what will be the brick edge. Then, using an old soldering iron, sculpt the brick edge to form bricks, and the line where the edge meets the path. Then, sculpt each flagstone piece. Use a wire brush to give the flagstone texture. And finally, paint. Building foam is surprisingly versatile, and you're able to achieve quite a number of textured effects with it. These pathways have proven to be very durable. However, the paint does fade over time, and the one you can see here is actually more than 5 years old. Some of the rocks you see here are also made of building foam mixed in with real rocks, as is the railway tunnel portal. As you can see here, our fairy garden is showing its age and is in need of some repairs and maintenance. So join me this spring as I remodel some walls, rebuild a waterfall, and bring the fairy garden back to life. So thanks for watching. See you next time.